I heard one somewhere. I heard something come from that way. So I don't know.
It might be Tyler Miller.
I don't know. Maybe they don't have anywhere. I hope
They do.
they do.
What do you mean you don't? They don't have any.
Not doing them?
We just gotta wait, Christine.
I love watching Spider-Man. Like,
We just gotta wait until they make a big boom.
we know sometimes they could do double. They get double one at the same time. And then you just.
I'm coming from that way, but
Well, we don't know. We would have to see until the colors go up. Until they.
should I pause this? There's too many.
There's like 2 but they're not coming up yet.
Yeah, but we don't know that.